Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past question 27. Simplify 7a minus 6b minus open bracket 4a minus 11b close bracket. So we have to simplify this into its simplest form. When you hear the word simplify, it means what? You have to break this down into its simplest form. Now a, we have 3a plus 5b. B, we have 5a plus 3b. C, we have 3a minus 5b. And D, we have 5a minus 3b. So A, 3a plus 5b. B, 5a plus 3b. C, 3a minus 5b. And D, 5a minus 3b. So we are given this and we are asked to simplify it. So we have 7a minus 6b minus open brackets 4a minus 11b close brackets. Now for us to do these things, right, we have to open these brackets. Then after opening the brackets, we now pick our like terms. So the first thing we have to do is what? We have to open the brackets. Open the brackets. Open brackets. Now how do we open these brackets? We have 7a minus 6b. Now we have to open this bracket. Now in opening a bracket, you must be conscious of the sign before the bracket. That is, you must put in mind the sign before the bracket, if the sign is a positive sign or a negative sign, because the sign before a bracket actually affects everything contained in that bracket. It affects everything contained in that bracket. Now we have a negative sign here before this bracket, right? So when we are opening this bracket, this negative sign will apply to everything in this bracket. So negative times what? A positive number, which is minus times 4a, will give us what? Minus 4, to give us minus 4a. Now minus times minus will give us what? Positive. If you remember that law that says what? Plus times plus is equals to plus. Plus times minus is equals to minus, and minus times minus is equal to plus. I believe we remember this rule. So therefore, because we have a negative sign before the bracket and a negative sign inside this bracket, this negative sign times this negative sign will give us what? A positive sign. So we have what? Plus 11b. Now the next step here is to collect like terms. You collect what? Like terms. It collects like terms. Now how do we collect like terms? Collecting like terms simply refers to what? Arranging these numbers into what? Into their own like, that is, into their respective self, because you have a and you have b here. So we collecting like terms simply refers to as what? Bringing a together and bringing the b's together. Now how do we do this? We have 7a, we have 7a here, and we have what? Minus 4a. So bringing this together, we have what? 7a minus 4a. Then we have minus 6b plus 11b. So you now say minus 6b plus 11b. So now 7a minus 4a will give us what? Will give us 3a. Just like saying 7 minus 4, because they are like terms. These 7 and 4 are just coefficient of a. So 7a minus 4a will give us 3a. Now minus 6b plus 11b is the same thing as saying what? 11b, because 11b is a positive number and minus 6b is a negative number. So it's the same thing as saying what? 11b minus 6b. And like we know, 11 minus 6 is equals to 5. So 11b minus 6b will give us what? 5b. So minus 6b plus 11b is equals to what? Plus 5b, because the positive integer is more than the negative number. So we have plus 5b. Now let's go to our options. This 3a plus 5b is our what? Is our answer. This is simplest what? Form by which this can be expressed. Now let's go to our options. Option A says 3a plus 5b, and like you know, option A actually corresponds to our answer 3a plus 5b. So therefore we pick option A as our answer. So 3A plus 5B is our answer. A is our answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.